Instagram Notes link Spotify option not showing problem. So if you open up your Instagram application and go with messages, which is on the top right, and tap on notes, which is right here. From the notes, if you go with music, then under music, here on the top, you will have link Spotify option. But if you don't find that option, if you don't find the link Spotify option, then what you need to do is just go back, tap and hold on to your Instagram, tap on your app info, and now you will have clear cache option, which is here on the bottom right. Tap on clear cache and tap on OK. And this might fix your problem. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back, open up your Play Store. After opening a Play Store, you need to go with search for Instagram, and under Instagram, if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application. After updating, your problem might be fixed because Spotify option is with the new update, and if you've updated, then you will find that option. Or if you still don't find the option, then you need to open up your Instagram. After that, just go back and tap on your profile. Go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with your account center, and here you may have help option, or you can just simply scroll down and tap on help, which is right here. Under that, tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem without shaking. Tap on don't include. And here you need to write your problem. So you need to write that I'm not being able to link my Spotify with my Instagram. I don't have link Spotify option. So please help me with that. And go with send, which is on the top right. And you'll get some guide on how you can fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.